Your education is your path to tomorrow. Each brick you lay is another step forward and other part of the legacy you will leave behind. Makerere University College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences, CAES, is one of the 10 colleges of Makerere University, located within the western part of Makerere University. Its main administrative center is in the Agriculture Building, located just opposite the university main library entrance. With decades of higher quality education, we have sent more than thousands of graduates through our doors and across the world. Today, with over 2,758 undergraduate, 450 graduate students, 410 staff, of which 202 are faculty or academic, 24 professors, 30 associate professors, 31 senior lecturers, 52 lecturers, 35 assistants, and 30 part-time staff across 3 schools. CAES is one of the 10 colleges of Makerere University. We are proud to be the leading institution of academic excellence in Africa. Embracing the unity and diversity, CAES nurtures agriculturalists, innovation fosters creativity, embraces technology and develops people to know the challenges of tomorrow with the focus of building the brighter future. We offer a diverse range of quality education opportunities that will make a critical and constructive contribution to the regional and the global sustainability.
Largely we focus on the university mandate, which is capacity building, training, research, and innovation, and then outreach. So we focus on all those 3 areas. We have 16 undergraduate programs and 18 graduate programs. So we are largely a graduate college, and that's, I know, where the university would like to. I call CAES the frontline college, and there are reasons why I say that. Some of the reasons why I think we're on the front line include our involvement in producing food for the country. If you look at what you have in your fridge, you may not see it directly, but many of the agriculture products in this country have a CAES footprint. So we are at the forefront of feeding the nation, of course together with the other partners. We are also at the forefront of innovation, and I have already mentioned some of the innovations in the agriculture sector that we've been able to put out to the market.
As CAES looks forward with the university vision, we continue training agriculturalists, nurturing innovators, empowering communities, and developing leaders who will join our alumni and leave their mark in history.
We have a high rate of youth unemployment in this country, and many of the jobs clearly will be found in agriculture or agriculture-related industries and businesses. So again, when it comes to skilling the nation and the youth, CAES finds itself at the forefront.
CAES has 3 schools: School of Agricultural Sciences, SAS.
The School of Agricultural Sciences has got so many achievements. We build capacity for different countries, especially those whose universities are still young. There are now so many universities in the country that can actually implement undergraduate training, but they don't have the capacity to run graduate programs. So we think that we have an edge when we do more of graduate training. That is where we are concentrating in. We want to strengthen partnerships with the farming communities, partnerships with other research organizations, partnerships with the policymakers, and the partnerships with the international organizations. This is to increase the visibility of the university, and also to increase the visibility of the school, and also to make our community engagements, policy engagements more relevant.
The School of Forestry, Environmental and Geographical Sciences, this is headed by the Dean.
The key purpose for our existence as a school is to train students in the field of forestry, environment, and geographical sciences. and our mandate is to produce candidate students and candidates that are accomplished in the profession of these three areas. We are looking towards a better training institution. One of the key achievements, I could say, is the revision of the curriculum that we have just concluded, when you have purged out all duplications. And we believe now we're going to train accomplished career builders in tourism and hospitality, in forestry, in geography and environment. Because we've just started the Bachelor of Geographical Sciences. That's a future way of building geographers. Geographers are very needed in this nation. We are bringing Bachelor of Science in Forestry back. We look at the future where the school has just applied for land from NFA. We will have our own plantation, and with all field researches in climate change, in forestry, in energy, and we applied in Nakasongora where all that can happen. So we believe that the school will grow. We look forward also to having better training in internship, especially with the National Forest College at Nyabyeya, to have a collaboration together with the Budongo Forest Project on how we can achieve all this. We look forward to increasing, actually, the major issue now, to increase field work for students so that when they leave, they will be accepted by the employees.
Also the School of Food Technology and Nutrition and Bioengineering. This hosts the Food Technology and Business Incubation Center.
And we have a pilot processing plant with capacity to produce diverse food products. So our students leave university with very practical skills, and many of them are able to start their own enterprises. We have a workshop which is in our agricultural farm, Kabanyoro, and at the workshop the agriculture engineering students are able to get hands-on skills in aspects of fabrication of equipment as well as maintenance. We have very strong relationships with our sister College of Engineering, where students of agriculture engineering do additional practicals and additional courses, and they normally, by the end of the program, are very conversant with aspects of machinery, energy, water and soil engineering, as well as agro-processing. Because of our diverse expertise and facilities, we are able to give tailored short courses for the working people who want to just sharpen their skills. So we've given short training courses in baking, in production of juices and tomato products, in production of yogurt, in tractor driving and maintenance. So we are ready and we are flexible, able to get tailor-made programs to address specific needs of individuals or groups of individuals.
Makerere University Agriculture Research Institute, Kabanyoro, Muwarik, is a public institution arm of Makerere University that interfaces with the National Agricultural Research Systems. This is seated on 650 hectares of land. It's being managed as a multidisciplinary facility for training, research, outreach and production under CAES.
We've got a lot of research in crops, in animals and agribusiness. For example, where we are standing here, this is an agribusiness because we have 6 acres of bananas here, and we do a lot of research on it, but at the same time we get money out of this plantation. We also get money out of sale of milk, but we study what causes to bring more milk and what causes to bring less milk. We teach people, our own students, but we also teach students from other universities and other tertiary colleges. We actually teach a number of them here. They do a lot of internship because they come here to see what is best that can be done at present in farming. They come and participate and get hands-on while they are looking at these establishments that we already have. And you will realize that actually probably not many other universities and tertiary institutions have an opportunity of having an institute like this one, which has several facilities around.
The tissue culture, animal science and biotechnology laboratories are also located at Muwari. Located in Chibale National Park, Chibale District, is the Makerere University Biological Field Station. This mainly involves in research, but it is increasingly hosting short international courses in tropical biology.
This is a very popular site for research, especially research in primatology, and that is mainly because Chiba is well known for that. It's known as the primate capital of the world. But besides that, we have a lot of other interesting species that people come here to study. And increasingly, we've been having people coming in to study different human dimensions of conservation. So I would say that the future of this place is very bright. We have a lot of interest from researchers from within Uganda, but also, maybe I should say, mostly from outside, who would want to come and do research here as individual researchers, but also to bring their students for field courses.
Originally, most of the research at MUBFS was primatology. Over the years, the research agenda has broadened to include ecological and behavioral research on taxonomy and social studies. Makerere University College of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences, CAES. Join us as we build for the future.